In this video, I'm going to give you 5 ways that you could be journaling wrong. This is I Love Journaling, and I like to help people learn how to use journaling to improve their life. So if this sounds good to you, then stay tuned. Could you be journaling wrong? Journaling is a wonderful activity that helps you to find yourself, to reach your goals, and to discover your purpose in life and many other wonderful things. However, you might feel bored with it, you might not know what to write about, you might find that you are not being completely open and honest, and so that means that you could maybe be doing it wrong. So while there are no hard and fast rules with journaling, you could also be unintentionally taking away from the many benefits that journaling provides you. And we wouldn't want that, would we? I want you to benefit from journaling. So here are some ways that you can tell if you are doing journaling wrong. The first way is that you are not enjoying the process. If you find journaling to be boring or not beneficial to you, this might come down to how you are journaling and what mindset you are in. So, before you begin, take a few minutes to meditate or practice mindfulness before you even pick up your pen and start to write. Consider how you are feeling in the moment, what you are struggling with, what part of your life you are enjoying, what your plans are, things like that. Get into a mindset of gratefulness, positivity, and things like that before you start writing. If you start writing with a negative mindset, that's going to carry over into your journaling. Another way that you could be journaling wrong is you only use it to record the day's events. So this is something that is, of course, it's a way that you can journal. You can write down what you did each day, but this is not the best way to get mental and spiritual benefits out of this. So look at how you are journaling. Determine whether or not you're actually digging deep or whether you're just using it to write down the day's events and didn't actually get into your thoughts and emotions. That is the key to successful journaling, is to learn about yourself, to grow, to express yourself. So if you're only using it to record what you did that day, you're not getting the full benefits. Another way that you could be doing journaling wrong is you never have anything to say. So if you feel like every time you open your journal and you have nothing to say, there are a few quick ways that you can fix this problem. The first way is to use journaling prompts. These are questions or statements that give you a topic to write about. These often lead to other ideas in your head about what you want to say. And I've got a lot of videos about journal prompts, so I will leave a little thing up there in the corner for you to check one of those out. Another option, if you feel like you have never anything to say, is when you feel like you don't have anything at all, like you are just writer's block completely, try making a list. So this can change by the day. This is another form of journal prompt, but think of a list such as maybe 3 of the best moments of your day, or 5 goals that you want to accomplish this week, or your favorite TV shows currently, things like that. Lists are amazing, and if you're a fan of journaling, you're probably a fan of making lists, as I am. I just love making lists, and so that's a fun way that you can think of things to write down when you have nothing. And from there, you might go off into another, you might be inspired to write something else. So just start with a list if you can't think of anything else. Another way that you could be doing journaling wrong is journaling causes you stress. If journaling causes you stress, then this is making things worse for you, and it's time to try and figure out why that is. Consider what you have been writing about, whether or not you are being kind to yourself. If every journal entry is just you ranting or being negative or even beating yourself up, negative self-talk is not good. This is probably one of the causes, for why you're not enjoying journaling. So try to at least write one positive thing about yourself and express gratitude in your journal. This will relieve stress and put you in the right mindset to do journaling. I talk about gratitude journaling a lot. I've got other videos on it, so check out that video on gratitude journaling up in the corner. And then here we come to the last way that you could be doing journaling wrong. You find yourself holding back a lot. So if you are not being open and honest with yourself, this will really halt your progress and will keep you from enjoying the benefits of journaling. You need to be able to be open if you want to find any sort of clarity. So journaling is a process, and it's one that you can do amazing things with this process, but not if you find that you are filtering out certain parts of your life because maybe you might be afraid of who might find your journal, or maybe you might be unable to admit the feelings that you're feeling. You don't want to write them down. There's a lot of reasons why you would hold yourself back when journaling. So be sure to, and this is one of the things that I teach in my course, I like to tell people to have a way that your journal is going to be completely private, whether or not that be maybe a digital journal, something online that you have a password for, or some way that nobody else can access it. Or if you do a physical journal, maybe you want to keep it in a locked box. That's an option. Put it someplace where nobody's ever going to look. Do whatever you can, because it's very crucial that you are honest with yourself in your journal and don't hold back. I've got more journaling guidelines for you, and this video is a great way to learn the general guidelines for journaling so we can make sure that you're getting all of those benefits. Be sure to subscribe, and thank you for watching.